What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. It's been a while since we streamed on YouTube, so we're gonna go ahead and get started here, guys. I hope this stream is gonna be very, very crude. I just kind of set up the computer, making sure everything does work and everything. So I will put on all the special effects and I need to hook up my stream deck and everything still for next time. So next time it will be a lot better. Let me see if it says that you guys can hear me, so I hope you guys can hear me on the YouTube. You guys make sure you leave comments, ask questions, anything there, and so we could trade together, okay? With that being said here, let's go ahead and switch over. I'm going to switch over to my screen. Oh, look at that. It just switches right on over. Alright. Let me put this, make this a little smaller right here, guys. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's look at some tickers and things here. Good morning. Morning, guys. Dylan, Hemster, Papa, nice to see you, dude. Pedro, Rupa, Victor, what's up? Good morning, guys. We had CPI numbers come out just a little bit ago. I don't know why the market's going up with them being bigger. Now, that is what it looks like what was happening. So we made this really nice move on, let me turn down this music here just a little bit. Oh, we gotta do it over here. Alright. So what it looks like what happened here for on the SPY, right? So we had this really nice move right here where we hit these bottoms down towards the 450, and then over the next couple days we had this really nice push, and then we kind of had this consolidatory sideways action where this believe we were just waiting for these numbers here to make a decision which way we're going to go and kind of accumulate rest after this nice move. So I got the highs mapped out right here, 470.98. The resistance right here where it's currently just about at. So today, with it being 0 DTE, what I mean by that is it's today is expiration day for the weekly contracts. We will just follow the price action and see if we could get some of those really nice delta moves, gamma moves on most of the tickers here today, okay? So, and this, I don't know why this is being stupid. There we go. So on the SPY here, guys, we want to see maybe a little bit of a dip right here at the open, and then to continue to go and break the all-time highs and see how far we could get. If we fell on it and we come further down, we'll play that price action as well, okay? Cool. Man, this is cool seeing having both these computers and stuff. I have two computers to have to stream. So I have my Zoom open for my members, and then I also have YouTube for everyone here, and I'm just gonna put a link here, tell everyone I am live. One second. Oh, no wonder. Alright, there we go. I was wondering why no one was, let me get my other. No one was joining the stream. I put it on the wrong one. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. Now we may get a few people here with us. All right. Oh, right. All right. So as far as tickers here today, guys, and what we're looking at, look at my little gap scan right here, real quick. Docu, Target, Nike, Facebook. Facebook is showing a lot of relative strength over the last few days. Whenever the market starts sliding off, or even when it goes up, it's been a leader. So I would like to see it continue this move up, and we have up to this resistance around the R2, 340 or so, for it to move up off of the 332 where it's at right now. So I'm going to keep that on watch today, and then so then also Tesla, right? So I wrote some tweets yesterday on Tesla about the move right here. So we had some resistance right here at the 1050, 1060 area, right? I wanted the little pop up and then for it to fail at least under 1050, and we got all the way down towards 1,000. So I believe we're gonna go ahead and close under the 1050, like I said today. So we may get a little bit of a pop off the 1011, and we have a little bit of room for this to move up. So a little dip maybe to this PDC area, VWAP area, and then going up would be absolutely awesome. If you guys in the chat have any other tickers that you want to go over or anything, just let me know. Dude, my tripod's all crooked. Okay. All right. So that's Tesla, and then as far as other tickers, if you guys have other tickers, put them in the chat. I'll go over them with you. Also looking at Amazon, since it is 0 DTE. Now Amazon yesterday didn't quite do too much, and if you come and you look at like the minute chart, there was not much volume in this yesterday. You can barely see the volume bars down here. So if this starts perking up a little bit, and then trying to make this move to the upside and getting some calls here, that would be really, really nice, especially with it being Friday expiration. So you kind of got like this crude cup handle, this little compression right here. It needs to curl up and go up. So that's what I'm trying to look for on that one. UROI. I don't even remember when we talked about this, dude, what the price was that you're calling for it or whatever. But here on the bigger time frame, on the macro time frame, this is looking pretty good, dude. Let me line it out here. Like this 370, right? And then there's a little bit of a gap right here. You got your little cup handle area right here on the daily, and then on this 4-hour chart, it's going sideways, so we could start pressing to the upside here. The only thing is that it's kind of on the low side right here, so not a whole lot of volume. It's not necessarily something, I think we've talked about this, where it's not something I like to trade. It doesn't really get like a lot of liquidity and momentum. But yeah, it has the potential to keep on going. It is really hot in here, guys. Oh, one thing as well that I want you guys to keep a track of with the way that the market is right now. So the VIX is back under 20 as of right now. We did put in kind of like a support over the last couple days here at the 20. Now we are below it. So if we get above here, maybe this S1 and start pivoting to the upside, that's going to be significant for the market to start sliding down too. So I always have the VIX up in the corner for me. I know a lot of you guys don't have the luxury of having a whole bunch of monitors. I have 5 monitors in front of me, guys. It's nuts. So I have 3 27-inch Samsungs, and then I have 2 34 ultra wide LGs. So it is definitely a luxury to have multiple charts. But if you could just cycle through and look at it, this is the VIX measures out the money calls versus out the money puts, and so whenever the out the money puts start outweighing them, it starts looking at as people hedging for the market going down and start protecting themselves. So it works inversely of the spot. So whenever the VIX goes down, the market goes up. All right. There we go. That may change the way that the screen looks just a little bit. SVK or SYK? Dude, this thing is so big, bro. It's hard to see all the way up there. Striker. Excuse me. I don't know what type of dude. What's your setup, bro? What is the setup that you like to play on these? That or you just see, oh, it's going up. It looks like it's going in an upward direction. I should probably get in this. You're like, oh, that's really high up. Thank you, HBT. Need volume today. Yes, I would love. Please let us have some volume so we could get some momentum going today, dude. Please let that happen. At the beginning of the week, we were also looking at this AMAT. So yesterday, obviously, with the way that the market was, it kind of slid off, and now it is digesting this kind of move that it made from the couple days prior. I would love for it to come back and retest this 157, 158, and then you could see on the macro where this was your compression, right? So here's your compression outlined right here with these red dots. You get your breakout, came and retested, and now we needed to break this 160-ish area, and my target's 180. So I have this to the side. I put it over here. Also, coin came and filled this gap area right here back to the support, and it is back down here, and I believe this is going to need to go a little bit more sideways, kind of like it did right here, and then to catch another bid for it to continue to go up. But this may be due here for a little bit of a bounce, and it's kind of done that in pre-market because this was a big move right here that I did yesterday. One of our guys traded this yesterday. He got in, I believe it was like right here. There was actually a pivot line right here. He got in at 283 or so, and he rode this thing down like a freaking pony. Cold calls. I don't know what cold calls are. Ooh, I will look at Airbnb today too. So I'll start writing some tickers right here. Oops, this is the wrong. I need another keyboard. I'm not going to do it then. Oh, Roku. One of my guys is looking at Roku in the chat. All right, Roku. I am not on the Roku train, guys. I know it retraced back to this middle area right here, and you guys are, I think he's trying to get it to go back up to this 255, 254 area right here. I just don't like it, dude. I don't like this macro setup. It needs to break out of this above 260 in order for me to be interested. Also LCID yesterday with the hard drop yesterday. So right here, we should start seeing some support here at this 35 area. So, and we did. So this was a more like in pre-market drop down, but it got to 36 yesterday. So we may see a little bit of a bounce, but EV sector definitely kind of beat down yesterday. We will keep track of it and look for those bounces on it. So Tesla, LCID, and then let's see, Facebook, BBY, Best Buy. It's pretty ugly, dude. Yeah. Dude, my so oh, it did do it. My dash for some reason, anytime I put in Tesla, it turns off. I guess I'm gonna trade Tesla again today. It's crazy that I have two computers over here, and they are like pretty badass computers. Like they have Ryzen 7s, um, 3060s in one, 3680 in the other. It's what you need to be able to stream and trade at the same time using Thinkorswim. All right. Um, Can you set a stop loss on Thinkorswim options? You can. So, but the thing is it's not based on the underlying. So, like, if you come, so in my chat over here, guys, for the guys on YouTube, he said, my member said, can you set a stop loss on Thinkorswim options? So, like, if you come to your trade or whatever, say like these are Teslas, right? So if you come and let's just say you got like 10 calls, right? Come over here, send them to the lilac. So this is your chart for the contract, right? So then on your trade right here, active trader. So you could set a button right here where it's like flatten or like sell, sell limit or whatever. So like right here is actually the price where Tesla is actually at right now, I believe, or the price of these contracts. So then you could place your stop like right here. So you could press, or like right here. So if it was, there you go. So then whenever you press it on the active trader, it tells you to sell. But the thing is that like it's not based on the underlying. It's just based on the actual contract price. There's only two I believe softwares that allow you to do that. That's Tasty Trades software, and then TWS from TWS. Who's the one that does the interactive brokers? Are the only ones that allow you to set. It's almost like a algo, kind of like a program where it's if then then this type order, where if the underlying is this price, then sell, like market. So yeah. Yeah, Tasty Trade is not direct access, dude. What's up, Chonko? Good morning, bro. Getting ready to trade here, bro. See if we make some moolah. Ooh, this is interesting right here on this pen gaming here, guys. So I don't know where it's at right now. It's at 51. But we have this gap, this volume gap under this 51 right here. And you can see it's tried to drop a couple times. So I'll keep this over here. All right, we got 3 minutes to the bell. All right. Yeah, if you guys are watching this, you guys got any value here, if you could go share on Twitter, share the stream with a friend, could tell them to come trade with us. This is more kind of an impromptu test run here today. I don't know how often we'll do this, maybe twice a week. You know, we'll trade live like this. I'll make a schedule and what I could actually commit to, but I like doing it now that I have another computer, because it was hard when I only had one computer, and my members were getting things delayed. So the YouTube is kind of delayed. There's not a way to fix that. So yeah, I will have the intro music and the trading music and all the cool stuff in here. Usually, like I have so that you guys could see like my chat open as well. Let's do what is it called? Tesla. I can't trade Tesla. I don't know why that happens. I do have the flow algo here on the side. So I usually do it more like this so that you guys can see this chart a little bit better. But let's get cracking here. I also will be, if we get a good shot on some SPX calls or SPX here today with 0 DTE, I will look at those as well. I did take a SPX on the bounce right here on the slide right here, guys. I don't know why I don't have no volume.
December 10th, 2021. 1,610 contracts. AAPL. 177 calls. December 10th, 2021.
I'm gonna need you guys on the YouTube
5
to tell me if you still
337 calls.
get
December 10th,
sound
2021.
like this. Do you guys
1,594 contracts.
Do you guys still get sound like that? So there's that dip on Tesla right here to the PDC. So this is the prior day close price. This is where we wanted that bounce here, guys. So this, I would try this right here. I would try to position right here, and then you're positioning for the move up. Now, there it goes, starts trying to bounce. And so my stop would be right below this 1,000. So you're risking you're risking $5 here, and then your first target being this top 20. So it's like 1 to 4. Are you guys able to hear me on the YouTube?
SPY. 472 calls. December 10th, 2021.
Right here on
2,182 contracts.
Now, if it reclaims, right? So if we're looking at
F20 calls. March 18th, 2022. 1,000 contracts.
So if you do it upwards like this, right? So if you do upwards on this here, then or excuse me, so if this comes back up with the PDC, so you want it to pop back above and show that this is going to be support instead of resistance, that would be the move there. Okay.
FB 350 calls. December 17th, 2021. 250 AAPL. 175 calls. December 10th, 2021. 804 AVGO. 650 calls. December 10th, 2021. 271 contracts.
Now, if this comes in and shows that this is resistance instead, we may have missed that move and then it continues to go down. That is the entry for the downside. So far, all I have is SPXs, and I did miss that it came down right here, but my stop would be 468.50. There we go. So there's your move here. And now what you want is a pullback for it to hold right here on the PDC. If it goes without you, you got to wait for another setup. That's a no trade. Nvidia, yeah, that was nice too. That was a nice dip. Nvidia's going Facebook as well.
Contracts. TSLA. 1,040 calls. December 10th, 2021.
There we go. There's that move here in the SPY. So right now I'm currently up $200 on those.
260 LCID 40 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1,023 contracts. LCID 40 calls. December 10th, 2021. 916 contracts. F20 calls. March 18th, 2022. 900
LCID getting some flow here.
F20 NFLX. 620 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1020 XTR. 15 calls. March 18th, 2022. 500 contracts. NRBL. 91 calls. January 7th, 2022.
Alright, so this is a no trade both ways right here, guys. You're just kind of getting chopped up. You got to wait for actual trend direction on Tesla. So it came down, didn't go up, didn't hold here at the PDC. So we got to wait for an actual direction on which way it's going to go. LCID is looking pretty good. It's up.
NRBL. 92 calls. January 7th, 2022. 900 contracts. LCID 39 calls. December 10th, 2021. 554 contracts. AMC. 26 splits. December 17th, 2021. 1070 LCID 40 calls. December 10th, 2021. 876 contracts.
Lots of LCID 40 flow here.
LCID 40 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1,881 contracts. AAPL. 177 calls. December 10th, 2021. 532 contracts. AMC. 26 splits.
LCID.
December 17th.
Yeah, dude. If he could catch that, yeah, absolutely, dude. So what one of my guys is looking at right here, we call it the crossover right here in the pivot. So yep, that right here would be your spot. Oh no, that's a stop out.
F20 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1,020.
Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute right here. The 5. Well, so I mean, at the very most, I mean, the bottom would be this 38.22 right here. So if it breaks this 38.22, that's definitely, you know, thesis is invalid. Oh yeah, so yeah, so if you're still being patient, like waiting, so if you're still counting this as the pop, like in a bigger time frame, then absolutely, dude, absolutely. Man, it's good. It's ahead. Dude, it gets so hot right here in this room. I don't know why. I say I don't know why, but bro, look at that. I say I don't know why, but I got 5 monitors here and 2 computers all making heat. I got 4705s on these SPXs. Looking pretty good. I bought them at $7.50. They're currently $10. Let me open this window real quick, guys. Alright, that should help a little bit. Yeah, let's go.
December 10th, 2021. 672 contracts.
Did you get it there, Hamster?
247 calls. December 10th,
Now still waiting.
2021.
Okay, let's see if it does still pull back.
Roll. 20 calls.
All right.
June 17th, 2022. 1,000
Oh,
contracts.
see here it is on Tesla. Tesla just did it. This is what we were looking for.
500 contracts.
Well, if it'll hold, but so here's it is back above the PDC. Now we want it to hold right here and then curl up and go up if it's going to go up. Oh man, that fresh air feels good. Again, anything under 1,000 is a stop out.
F20 calls. December 10th, 2021. 730 contracts. LCID 41 calls. December 10th, 2021. 997 contracts. XLF. 40 calls. January 7th, 2022. 610 contracts.
That's a stop out again. So again, now we're waiting here until we get something a little bit better on this Tesla. So probably move to a bigger time frame right here. See what's going on. Also here in the SPY, kind of just going sideways too, trying to break above this 470. So waiting.
December 17th, 2021. 324 contracts. TSLA. 1,000 calls. December 10th, 2021. 509 contracts.
Already you're leaving HPT? A degenerative job.
NVDA. 300 puts. December 10th, 2021. 345 contracts.
Nice, dude. Have a good day. Have a good weekend, all right?
Ben. 30 puts. April 14th, 2022. 601 contracts. TSLA. 1,000 puts. December 10th, 2021. 313 contracts. AAPL. 175 calls. December 10th, 2021. 521 contracts.
I am gonna laugh if the market just starts selling very, very hard here, guys.
AMC. 24 puts. December 17th, 2021. 500
I'm just
contracts.
waiting here, guys, for another trade.
295 calls.
Things pulling back just a little bit here, so I still have my spies.
250.
So looking for this bounce right here on this pivot area. Like I said, anything under 468.50 is my out. I'm definitely giving enough room. So
Roku. 220 puts. December 17th, 2021. 296 Uber. 39 calls. December 31st, 2021. 5,000 contracts.
just watching this spot right here move, guys. So this is what happens sometimes. People put their stop losses on right on the point of support. So like the support would be right here on the pivot, and then they get stopped out, and it bounces and goes the way that you want. So that's why I'm giving it to right here, where it's proven that this was old resistance should act as support, and I'm like 5 cents away here getting stopped out. But that's okay. We could always, re-enter, get another trade. Snow is it moves too slow, dude. That's why.
523 AMC. 25 puts. December 10th, 2021.
AMC is down crazy today, guys.
SLB. 35 calls. May 20th, 2022. 1,300.
As well as coin back down here below yesterday's lows.
December 17th.
There we go. So see it right here. So that's why you got to put your stop loss where it makes sense, where those buyers are going to sit in, because if you put it right here, right on the point of liquidity right here, and it gets wigged down, you're going to be frustrated when if it starts bouncing and goes the way that you want.
SLB. 35 calls. May 20th, 2022. 3,500 contracts. PMB. 50 calls. December 31st, 2021. 500 contracts. PMB. 50 calls. December 31st, 2021. 500 contracts.
There it goes, stopped out here on my SPY, guys. It hit 48, so now we have the potential of coming all the way down to this pivot here, the 467. And I swear if this goes back up and goes without me.
1,165 contracts.
It wants to.
LCID 36 points. December 10th, 2021. 972 contracts.
If we could hold the pivot here again, I'll try it again. And I like this bounce right here off of on Tesla right here at this 987, 985 area. See if we can get some momentum now. Same thing, Q's Q's bouncing, and VIX is coming back down, rejecting 20.
NVDA 310 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1001 contracts. DMRF 120 calls. December 10th, 2021. 289 contracts.
Not much going on here, guys. We got top of the hour like in 6-7 minutes. We'll see if we get a nice candle to move for us then. If not, I may just take this loss, dude, and go enjoy the day. So, did anyone here in my chat, you guys get any good trades right off of the open?
34 calls. December 10th, 2021. 731 contracts.
Nope. Yeah, kind of a crappy open, to be honest.
CCL 19 calls. December 10th, 2021. 500 contracts.
It used to be like that. It really, really used to be like that, Hamster, and that's why I would stream on YouTube on Fridays, and because you could catch some really nice moves like on Amazon and Tesla on the expiration day, and as of lately, the moves come in like in the middle or beginning of the week, and then the market makers have to wait until the premium expires and then go the next day. Go into the next week. So, yeah. Nice, Chongo. We're gonna get a little bit of a pullback here. Apple's pulling back, 175.
512 contracts. TSLA 1000 puts. December 10th, 2021. 335 NVDA 302 puts. December 10th, 2021. 381 MCD 265 puts. December 10th, 2021. 604 contracts.
Stopped out again on these SPXs here, guys. So that's a loss of like 1900. I have one more trade. I have a rule. I have a rule that is the three strike rule. So if you take three consecutive trades and they're all losses, you're done for the day. So it helps you stay, dude. I swear, bro. Like if this thing bounces and starts going further up,
2021, 913 contracts.
um,
175 calls.
yeah.
December 10th,
So
2021, 952
that's my rule.
contracts.
So if I take another loss, I'm done for the day. It helps me mitigate my risk, so I'm not taking big, huge losses. They are manageable losses. I can make it. I can make it back tomorrow or next day.
F19 puts. December 17th, 2021,
And Apple's down at this 175 where
177 contracts.
it may bounce right here.
Here's how the face like this. This is $2. So it's a snake strike. It increases the local $2. They took purchase, which are themselves in the series of how to get more cheap deals. Here's how the face like this.
PLTR. 19 puts. December 31st, 2021, 506 contracts.
All right, so top of the hour, 10 o'clock market time, guys.
MSFT. 340 calls. December 10th, 2021, 507 Marag. 42 calls. December 10th, 2021, 986
And there goes
contracts.
that move here I was wanting. So this volume's dying out right here, guys, where there's not a whole lot of volume coming for the demand side here for it to push up here. So unless something happens here, in order for it to move, I believe we're going to come further down.
2021, 308 468 clicks. December 10th, 2021, 560 467 clicks. December 10th, 2021, 550 LCID 38 calls. December 10th, 2021, 1,000 contracts.
Leave it. Why so late, honey? Huh? What? My girl brought me avocado toast. There it goes. So that there's that rejection right here, the view up on this pivot right here. So I believe we're going to wind up back down here at this 467 right here, guys.
December 10th, 2021, 875 contracts.
I want the runaway market that we used to have back.
NVDA, 302 calls. December 10th, 2021, 369 contracts. AAPL, 175 calls. December 10th, 2021, 801 contracts.
Dude, this action really sucks, guys. Like, unless something turns up here very quickly, I'm just gonna call it a day. Like, this is dumb. Especially with it being Friday, guys. For you guys here in my chat with me, is it like really nice where you're at right now? Supposedly it rained last night here. I don't know, but
340 calls. December 17th, 2021, 609 contracts. F19 calls. January 21st, 2022, 2010 contracts.
it's cold, dude. It's been so like usually we've had like a pretty nice snow already, bro. A few actually. We usually get like a pretty good snow right after Halloween and we haven't gotten anything, dude. No storms. Kinda sucks. We have family pictures tomorrow and we're hoping for snow for them, and it's not gonna happen.
1,004 contracts.
You leaving, honey? Finally? You on the late bus today? I like your hair. You tired of going high?
Hi.
I like your bow. You have a good day, okay?
Thank you.
See you this afternoon.
See you this afternoon.
Mine. Yeah, dude. Like even like the ski resorts or whatever you call them here, like they're like, there's no reason for us to do artificial snow because we just can't keep up with it.
MSFT. 340 calls. December 17th,
Me too.
2021.
We're going till late.
502 contracts.
What appointment? Oh, I thought it was next week. Okay. Love you, honey. I like your fit, G. See ya. Love you.
Are you going shopping with me later?
What time? You have the whole day off? Oh.
Now,
Oh, what time?
55 calls.
At 4?
February 18th.
So like at 5?
22.
Yeah, if you want me to meet you too, let me know. I just have a barber appointment at 11. Okay. I'm just letting you know. Bye, baby.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, honey. There's the bounce on Apple off that 175 we were looking at here, guys. That's probably going to be what's needed here in order for the market to bounce and give us that momentum, is if Apple could go on a freight train move here, would be absolutely awesome. Also, Tesla's in compression here to the upside, so there we go.
177 calls.
Here's that move on Tesla. So the compression's on the 1 minute.
684 contracts. KAPL. 177 calls. December 10th, 2021. 900 KAPL. 175 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1,008 spike. 469 calls. December 10th, 2021. 650 AMD. 137 calls. December 10th, 2021. 500 contracts. MSFT. 365.
Did you guys get like an Airbnb or whatever for like Thanksgiving, and you guys just had Thanksgiving up there, dude? That's pretty cool if you did that. That's really cool, dude. I've always wanted to do like a Christmas like that. In Pagosa Springs, they were like Durango, where it snows in Colorado. Just load up the car full of all the presents and decorate the tree there or whatever. All right, honey. This avocado toast is really good, bro. AMC about to break lows here.
AMC 26 puts. December 10th, 2021. 1017 contracts.
Oh man. That's one of the cool things about California, though, dude, is that especially where I lived in Corona and Riverside,
28
it
puts.
was an hour to
December
everything,
10th,
dude. Like, you want to go to the
2021.
beach, it's an hour. You want to go to the
871
desert,
contracts.
it's an hour. You want to go to the mountains, it's an hour, bro. Like even if there weren't like events for you to do, bro. Like, you know what I mean, like concerts and stuff like that. You could always go and do those
NVDA
things. Like,
310 calls. December 10th, 2021.
dude, I should have played Amazon to the
1005
downside, bro. Fuck.
AMC 25 puts. December 10th, 2021. 817 contracts. GM 65 calls. January 21st, 2022. 765 contracts. AMC 25 puts. December 10th, 2021.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go close my garage real quick. My girl left it open, so I'll be right back. Throw my plate away.
December 10th, 2021. 454 contracts. GM 70 calls. February 18th, 2022. 1,570 contracts. AAPL. 165 puts. February 18th, 2022. 500 contracts.
Ooh, spot moving up now that there we go. Apple broke out of that high. See if we get some action now.
F20 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1,030 contracts. Spike. 468 puts. December 10th, 2021. 1,009 contracts.
And there's that compression break here on Tesla, guys, that I was telling you off this bottom right here. So it's on the 1 minute. Boom. Here's your compression, your crosses down here. And now we're trying to make this break here. 1020, I believe, being where you want to get to.
June 17th,
Yeah, about 1020.
2022. 2,000 contracts. F20 calls. December 17th, 2021. 500 contracts. UAL. 65 calls. June 17th, 2022. 798 contracts. ASO. 44 calls. December 10th, 2021. 500 contracts. MSFT. 342 calls. December 17th, 2021. 500 SPLK. 125 calls. January 21st, 2022. 7 DKNG. 30 puts. January 21st, 2022. 1,000 contracts. DKNG. 30 puts. January 21st, 2022. 1,000 contracts.
I'm only gonna stay live here on YouTube till 8:30 here my time, guys. 10:30 Eastern, and then not much has happened. I didn't catch this little move right here,
December
but
10th, 2021. 310 contracts. SPY. 468 puts. December 10th, 2021. 500 contracts. EXK. 15 calls. January 20th, 2023. 679 MSFT. 340 calls. December 10th, 2021. 988 SPY. 468 puts. December 10th, 2021. 500 contracts.
so I'm trying to. I have a barber appointment. I'm trying to make sure. I don't know if you guys can see. I got like a big ass beaver tail on my lip, dude. I'm trying to see if they could get me a shave as well.
QQQ. 396 puts. December 10th, 2021. 515 contracts. MSFT. 340 calls. December 17th, 2021. 1,116 contracts.
It's crazy how much of a different trader I am now, where something could move $5 and I don't give a shit. Like even $10. I'm trying to catch like these bigger. I want the big moves.
SPY. 469 calls. December 10th, 2021. 1,000 contracts. SPY. 469 calls. December 10th, 2021. 800 contracts. QQQ. 395 puts. December 10th, 2021. 3,129 contracts. 202 calls. December 10th, 2021. 700 MSFT. 340 calls. December 10th, 2021. 936 contracts.
Microsoft is going crazy. Are we just on the wrong side of... What the hell? We're all over here saying, oh, there's nothing to trade. What the hell?
LCID 38 calls. December 10th, 2021. 968 contracts. Gold. 18 calls. June 17th, 2022. 541 contracts. MSFT. 345 calls. December 17th, 2021. 5 JNBR. 34 calls. December 17th, 2021. 650 MSFT. 360 calls.
There goes Apple.
January 21st, 2022. 504 contracts. LCID 38 calls. December 10th, 2021. 963 contracts. ABCD. 5 calls. December 17th, 2021. 500 contracts. J140 puts. December 17th, 2021. 500 contracts. UXA. 55 calls. January 20th, 2023. 557 contracts.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it YouTube here. Apologize that we didn't get that much action here today. I took 2 stop outs. I'm down 22.30 is what I'm down on the day, which is very manageable for me as a loss. So I'm gonna cut the YouTube here. I will, if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter so for the updates of when I'm gonna be streaming and stuff again. So you can keep track of those. And what else? I think that's it, guys. I'll keep you updated on Twitter, and appreciate you stopping by. All right.